My bad boy.
It's not as you
Jesus! Jesus!
Ah! Obìnrin.
Hello? Yeah, I'm outside.
I'm coming outside.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Oga, today.
Hello. Okay.
You're a bad guy.
Yeah, that's my house.
Thank you.
My bad boy.
I'm not here to sit down. Let us go inside. Sharp.
That's the other time.
As we all. It's not as you
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey!
5 years of madness.
Problem in all the finish.
Problem with this one now.
God have mercy upon us.
Back up, police. Back up, police. Before police reach her, she die. Doctor. But what is saying now? Why can't I go to hospital? Hey! God, beg. Save me from this one. If you save me, I no carry again. I beg. God. Okay. But if she can't die for road now, God.
Are you back?
I'm back.
No, let's continue.
Eh?
Let's continue now.
Continue waiting. Sorry for the tone. At this right now, I can't continue anything. I'm not in the mood again.
You don't know why it's going on.
Nothing.
Oh, is it because of that small? That small.
Hey, smart thing. Come on, let me tell you something. Just stand there, wear a shoe. Or just carry it. Carry your bag.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not that serious.
And I know now. No, I'm not seeing anything.
Are you walking me out?
No, just go first. I'm coming. Don't worry, eh? I'll call you back.
Is it because of that thing that happened?
No, just go. No, I'm not. I know you see. Can't go. Thank God.
It's not that serious. So let us continue now.
No,
just like that.
No, I'll call you. I'm going for a prayer meeting. I'm going for a prayer meeting. Bad markets.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.